Hello everybody, my name is NOOR AIDA BINTI Muhammad Noor and I am from Malaysia, specifically Universiti Sains Malaysia in Penang. So I think this conference has been very eye-opening, it's very helpful and it's very good, especially for a PhD student like me. We get to connect with a lot of professors, a lot of academicians, not only within our field but also outside our field. So I think it has helped me to actually learn and know more about what's happening right now, what's hot, and especially what are some of the room of what's they call improvements that we can make as researchers. So I think I would actually recommend this for a lot of not only students but also academicians from all sort of backgrounds as well, especially on business. Just like me, I get to explore and learn more on, especially about human governance, which is my field. Thank you.